With Fergus Go, creating jobs is fast and effortless, so you can stay on top of your work and add new jobs anytime, anywhere. To get started, you'll want to tap the Create Job button at the bottom of the screen. First up, we'll enter our customer details. You can easily search for existing customers, or if needed, click on the Add New Customer button. If you've integrated your accounting software, you'll be able to pull in existing customers directly. Plus, any new customers added in Fergus will automatically sync to your accounting package once you invoice them. Next, let's fill in the site details. Remember, these may differ from the customer details. For instance, if you're working for a real estate agent, the customer might be the agency, but the site contact could be the property owner. You can search for previously entered sites, choose to use the same details as the customer, or add a new site if necessary. Now it's time to capture the job details. Start by selecting your job type. You can toggle this switch on to choose between estimate and quote. While both options work similarly in Fergus, the key difference lies in the terminology used in your documentation. Do you want your customer to receive an estimate or a quote? An estimate typically provides a rough idea of costs, while a quote offers a fixed price that you can commit to. If you're adding a charge-up job, simply leave the switch off. Charge-up jobs are great for cost-plus work, where you invoice for actual materials and labour plus a markup, rather than invoicing for an estimate or a quote. Next, enter a job title that reflects the work being done, like new home build or bathroom sink repair. The job description is optional here, so if you're running short on time, you can leave this blank and fill it in later. If you work with real estate agents or builders, you might receive purchase order or customer order numbers. You can input that information here and it will automatically populate in the invoices for this job. If you'd like to assign a group to this job, you can do it now or wait until later. And finally, click the Save button at the top of the screen. Fergus will then guide you to the next steps based on the type of job you've selected. And that's it! You're now ready to create jobs in Fergus Go with confidence.